What if I say you can make about 10 lakh per year if you have an EV charging station with you? Yes, you heard it right. If you take the year 2022, we can see that there was a growth of about 150% in the EV industry. This year, we expect a minimum 300% growth in the EV sales industry. What is clear from these two calculations is that the growth of EV industry is increasing rapidly. As the demand of EV charging station is growing higher, for example, if an EV user wants to charge their EV car at an EV station, the amount he would be spending would be around 600 rupees. The operation expenses the EV charging station owner would be spending would come up to 250 rupees, which gives him a solid profit of 350 rupees. Now what if 8 to 10 EV cars come to the same EV station on a daily basis? The owner would get around 3,500 rupees. And what if they are calculated on a monthly basis? It would come around 1 lakh rupees. Now imagine how much the owner would get on a yearly basis, 10 to 12 lakh rupees. The money you would be spending for setting up a level 1 EV charging station would be around 10 to 15 lakh. And if you take the return of investment, it would be 100%. What more could a businessman ask for? So are you ready to set up an EV charging station?